Welcome to Choice Champions. The best sports beads is probably one of the most versatile and exciting accessories to hit the market, offering a unique blend of style, functionality, and personalization for athletes and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're looking to add a pop of color to your gear, track your performance with integrated technology, or simply express your individuality on and off the field, these innovative beads are designed to elevate your sporting experience. Get ready to discover how these small but mighty accessories can make a big impact on your game and your look. Number 5. Blulu Sports Ball Beads for Jewelry Making. Get a generous pack of 250 sports ball beads, perfect for creating multiple necklaces and bracelets. You'll have plenty to share with loved ones. These beads are crafted from sturdy acrylic, ensuring they won't easily break or fade. Their portable size makes them convenient for any project. Each bead measures between 12 to 15 millimeters, with holes suitable for your crafting needs. Their mini size and lightweight nature are ideal for decorating. Design charming necklaces, bracelets, and hair accessories with these versatile beads. They're perfect for personal wear or as thoughtful gifts. Use them to create unique bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and keychains. Add them to ropes or other materials to make a statement on any occasion. What we like? Get a massive 250 pieces of sports beads in one package, perfect for all your DIY projects. These beads are made from sturdy acrylic, ensuring they won't easily break or fade. If you're looking to create many personalized items or share with friends, this abundant pack is the ideal choice. What people say? The color remains the same for a long time. The hole to add the bracelet string is large and easy to get bracelet string through. I purchased to start making sports-themed earrings with local school colors. Number 4. Sports Beads DIY Bracelet Necklace Making Kit. Get creative with our sports-themed bead kit. Perfect for crafting unique bracelets and necklaces, it's a fun way to express yourself. Discover 15 different sports ball designs, from football to tennis. Each bead is crafted from high-quality acrylic with clear, durable patterns. This kit includes all you need to get started: a variety of sports beads, a roll of elastic string, and a handy plastic storage box. The included plastic box keeps your beads organized and easy to access. Making beautiful handmade jewelry has never been simpler. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This DIY jewelry kit is ideal for friends and loved ones who enjoy personalized crafts. Crafted from premium acrylic, these beads are built to last. Enjoy clear patterns and excellent hardness for all your creative projects. What we like? This set offers 15 distinct sports ball styles, providing great variety for your creations. It conveniently comes with an elastic rope and a plastic storage box for easy organization. If you appreciate having a wide selection and organized crafting experience, this kit is perfect for you. What people say? The beads are very durable and have held up well to frequent use. The variety of colors and sizes included in the set is excellent, offering great flexibility for different projects. The beads are consistently shaped and smooth, making them easy to string and work with. Number 3. SNS Worldwide Color Splash Sports Bead Mix. Introducing the Color Splash Sports Bead Mix, a vibrant and affordable collection perfect for young crafters. These beads come in brilliant colors at smart prices, offering great value. These are wonderful trinkets for children, designed to create fun sports-themed jewelry that both boys and girls will adore. Let their creativity shine with these exciting beads. Each bead is the perfect size for crafting, measuring 12 to 15 millimeters with holes of 2.5 to 3.5 millimeters. They are made from durable plastic, ensuring they are easy for little hands to work with. Their proper sizing makes them incredibly versatile. They easily slide onto thick cord or even shoelaces, opening up a world of creative possibilities for accessories. This mix features 4 varieties of the most popular sports: baseball, football, soccer, and basketball. Kids can show their team spirit with these themed beads. You'll receive a generous pack of 144 beads, ensuring plenty of material for multiple projects. Get ready for hours of creative fun with this exciting sports bead mix. What we like? These beads boast brilliant colors and are perfectly sized for children's crafts, even fitting onto shoelaces. They are ideal for making fun sports jewelry or decorating backpacks. If you're looking for engaging craft supplies for kids that offer bright aesthetics and multiple uses, this vibrant mix is a fantastic option. What people say. The beads are made of high-quality, durable material that holds up well to frequent use. The design is sleek and modern, with a variety of colors to choose from. The beads are easy to attach and detach, making them convenient for quick changes. Number 2. Cousin DIY Assorted Sports Beads Fun Pack Mix Small. Get ready to dive into a world of crafting fun. This pack is perfect for all your creative projects. Featuring a vibrant assortment of sports-themed beads, you can now create unique accessories. From bracelets to keychains, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild. This fun pack is designed for anyone who loves to get hands-on with their creations. Elevate your crafting skills with these high-quality, assorted beads. It's time to master your craft. What we like. This fun pack offers an assortment of sports-themed beads, perfect for your DIY endeavors. It's designed for those who enjoy creative projects and want a variety of sports designs. If you like having a mix of popular sports themes for your crafts, this pack is a great starting point. What people say. Kids loved these beads. Easy to use, nice colors. Allows for male jewelry via sports. Children make bracelets for daddy, brother, etc. Great for VBS 2017 Game On. Kids made bracelets and necklaces. Number 1. Volleyball Sports Pony Beads. Introducing our 100-piece set of volleyball-themed pony beads. These are perfect for adding a sporty touch to any craft project. Crafted from high-quality plastic, these beads are built to last. They are designed for easy handling and creative use. Each bead measures 12 millimeters, making them the ideal size for a variety of crafts. They are easy to string and work with. With 100 pieces in each package, you have plenty to create bracelets, necklaces, keychains, and more. Let your imagination run wild with these versatile beads. Use them for weddings, card making, or any decoration project that needs a unique flair. The possibilities are truly endless with these fun beads. What we like. Specifically featuring 100 volleyball-themed beads, these 12mm plastic beads are great for dedicated fans. They are suitable for bracelets, necklaces, keychains, and various craft projects. If you're a volleyball enthusiast or creating gifts for one, this focus pack offers a specific theme for your needs. What people say. Great beads that works great for our keychain project. These beads were perfect size for my bag tag project. They seem durable. Looks like a volleyball and the specifications were spot on. Quality is good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.